This is week 33 practice quiz problem 2. This is a triangular prism. Don't confuse it for a pyramid. It has two congruent parallel bases. The base is not the side that it's sitting on. It's these two congruent parallel triangles. And then those rectangular faces are the lateral faces. So let's draw all of the faces. We have two congruent equilateral triangles that have legs of 17 and a base of 16. We're going to have to do some more work with those. Then we have three rectangles. Make sure you don't make the mistake of thinking that all three rectangles are congruent to each other. Two of them are because the triangle's isosceles, and then one of them is not. So two of the triangles are 17 by 27. But the other rectangle, the one on the bottom, is 16 by 27. All right, let's do those rectangle areas first because those are the quickest. So 16 by 27 is 432. There's no units on this one, so just square units. And then 27 by 17 is 459 square units. So this one's also 459 square units. Here's why I was putting off doing the triangles. We know the base, but we don't know the height. So we're going to have to do some Pythagorean theorem work. I have to cut my 16 in half into 8 and 8. And then the height is unknown. If you are starting to get good at your Pythagorean triples that have been hiding in our Bitmoji classroom at the start of class every day, you might know that this one is an 8, 15, 17. It's not as common as 3, 4, 5, but it's still one that's good to know. It's one of the 4 most used ones, I would say. If you don't know it, then you just do a quick Pythagorean theorem. So I squared the 8 and the 17, and now I'm subtracting 64 from both sides, and 289 minus 64 is 225. Square root of 225 is 15. So these triangles have a height of 15. So let's do our area calculation. Don't forget to divide by 2. Base times height divided by 2. I could imagine maybe some of you not dividing by 2 because there's 2 of them, but just be careful about keeping track of what you're doing. So these triangles are 120 and 120. So let's do the work of adding everything together to get the total surface area. So I have 120, 120, 459, 459, and 432 for a grand total of 1,590 square units.